Okay, so today I'm going to be unboxing Paul George's PG2 PlayStation Nikes. On one side of the box you have his signature. On the other side you have that classic Nike swoosh. On one more side you have Paul George's logo. And on that last side you just have Paul George written out. So let's take a quick little sneak peek at one of the shoes. This is the left shoe, which has the PlayStation symbol on the tongue. And right off the bat you can just see the PlayStation theme throughout the shoe with color blocking and that glossy black leather finish. But let's take a deeper dive into both of the shoes. Okay, so right here we have the left shoe, which has the PlayStation symbol on it. And you can see that predominantly black midsole with the PlayStation color scheme speckled throughout of it. And you have that glossy finish right there. Let's take a look at the tongue, which actually lights up. It has 3 modes: on, pulse, and off. It's powered by lithium batteries and has about a 150-hour battery life, not rechargeable. Then you have this classic PlayStation color scheme on the eyelets: the green, the pink, the red, and the blue. That glossy toe right there. Taking a look on the other side, you have the same color scheme on the midsole, and then you have a green Nike swoosh, and then you have the PSN voucher on the heel of the shoe, which unlocks special PlayStation content, so I'm going to have to blur that out. And then the bottom of the shoe has this icy blue clear color, and it actually glows in the dark, which is pretty sweet. And then on the inside of the shoe, you have a Galaxy liner with the PlayStation logo. Now taking a look at the right shoe, which has the Paul George logo on the tongue, and the Paul George logo on the inside with the Galaxy liner. Similar to the left shoe, has 3 modes: on, pulse, and off. And you see that faint gray swoosh on the right side, which is similar and symmetrical to the left side of the shoe. Got that pink Nike swoosh sticking with the color scheme. And then the PG13 on the heel. And it's hard to see, it's very faint, but etched into that glossy leather are the classic PlayStation symbols: the X, the O, the square, and the triangle. And on that sole, outsole is actually built for traction on multiple surfaces. And that's all I have for this unboxing. It was just a quick little overview of the shoes. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want more of me, consider subscribing. I make adventure content, travel videos, stuff like that. And if you like video games, I'm on Twitch at bbaker248. Thanks for watching, guys.